Hello, Abiola David is my name. Welcome to my excellent video. In this tutorial, we are going to learn about the unique dynamic array function. Let's get started. Now, the unique function returns a list of unique values in a list or range. Okay, we have this sample data. We have all the employee ID in column A and the department in column B. Now, we discovered that we have some duplicate names like Laura Callahan in row 3, another one in row 6, row 11, and so on and so forth. So we are interested in the unique list. So we come to cell E2 and equal sign. Then we type in the name of the function, which is unique. Now we have three arguments to provide. However, we have array, which is the compulsory argument, while the other two are optional. Okay, now let's see the first one. So I'm going to select my list or my range or my array, whatever you want to call it. Then when I click on Control Enter, amazing, we have all the lists of the employees and the departments. Okay, so for example, we have Laura Callahan, it's a department, Margaret Peacock, and so on and so forth. This is absolutely wonderful. The unique dynamic array function spills all the unique values down then to the right. Absolutely wonderful. So with few clicks I can get much more done, which is what I love so much about this array function. Now let's talk about the other part of the function, which is the second argument. Now by default the unique function returns the unique row, so we have 4, so we can even skip that because that's the default. And however, if you want to put it, you can put false and we have the same results. Now unlike VLOOKUP, whereby the fourth argument is the exact or the approximate, and we know that the exact can also go with 0 while the approximate can go with 1. The same thing applies here. For the false, you can put in 0 and we have the same result. And for the true, you can have 1, just like match function also. Then for the true, we have all the lists of all the columns here. Okay, now you discover that this is actually grayed out. Okay, now this is part of the spill, so we can't actually make any changes to this section. We can't delete, you can edit, you can do anything. Okay, and that's why we have everything grayed out in the formula bar. So if you want to make any changes, you can come to the first result. Okay, now I'm going to put it back in the default, which is 0. Okay, now let's talk about the third argument. Now the third argument is exactly once. Now this implies that we actually want to return unique list that appeared only once. So I'm going to put comma. So for items that appeared exactly once, okay, we put true. So I can just deploy my true, then we close and Control Enter. So we can see that from all the listing, these are all the names that actually appeared only once from here. That is absolutely wonderful. I love that so much. Now let's see other parts. We actually want to do something a bit funny. We actually want to see the department first, then the name of the employees. So again, I'm going to use unique function. Then for my array, I'm going to select this, then use my ampersand sign to join that. Then I want to double quote, comma, space, then close that expression. Then we close, use another ampersand sign rather, and then we select the order range. Okay, then of course it's going to default to unique rows, which is what we want. However, we actually want items that appears exactly once, just similar to what we have here. So I'm going to use true, then we close that and Control Enter. Absolutely magical. So we have finance, Nancy Davolio, sales, Brusina Uffman, marketing, Irene Maddox, and so on and so forth. Now let's say we actually want to see, we want the false, which is to return every distinct count. Then we can of course use false. Then we have this down here. This is a very powerful game changer. I love it so much. Thank you for watching my video. Expect more videos for other functions. Bye for now.